Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mokhammad Fuad. Today, we are going to learn about adjectives. Before we start, let me ask you something like, does anyone here know what an adjective is? Alright, good. Today, we are going to learn the full meaning and how to use adjective correctly. Wait, okay. First, let's understand the meaning. So, an adjective is a word that describes a noun. A noun can be person, an object, an animal, or anything. Adjectives tell us what something looks like, feels like, or what condition it is in. For the example, size, big, small, teeny, or huge. And then color, the color like red, black, and blue. Shape, round, and square. Temperature, hot and cold. And then quality, the last one, beautiful, and then strong, weak, old, and young. For the example of word, a big house, a big house, a cold drink, a red apple. So the words big, cold, and red here, it's describe the noun. Let me ask you again. Can someone give me an example of an adjective? All right, so remember, adjective give more information about nouns. Any question before we move the materials? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I think there is no question. So now let's move to the comparative adjective. So comparative adjectives are used to compare two things. Yeah, are used to compare two things. For short adjective, we add er. For example, in here, the word tall, it's moved to taller, and then fast to faster, and then small to, what is it? Good, smaller. and then big to bigger. So for longer adjective, we use more example like more beautiful, more expensive, more interesting. Now, let's look at some example sentences. Sorry, this is a bigger, not a vulgar. The Jaguar is faster than the lion. I am taller than my father. And last one, we have this book is more interesting than the movie. So, comparative adjectives always compare two things only. Let me check your understanding. Which one is correct? More tall or taller? So, which one is correct? More tall or taller? Yes, correct. We say taller, not more tall. Okay? All right. Before we finish, do you have any questions so far? I give you for 5 minutes, I think. 5 minutes to discuss this. 4 minutes to discuss this. Okay, if there is no question, let's end the lessons. So that is our lesson for today. We learned what an adjective is and how to use comparative adjectives to compare two things. So thank you for listening and see you in the next class. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.